What Nigerians have not discovered about Obaseki and President Buhari. Immediately, the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) Edo State Chapter announced that Godwin Obaseki emerged the winner of the 2020 Edo State election. It was President Muhammad Buhari who firstly congratulated him. It was surprising that despite that President Buhari and Governor Obaseki are not in the same political parties, why is he to be the first to congratulate him? Or can we say President Buhari already know what the result will be? Actually no, but it shows there is something about Obaseki and President Buhari which is more than politics. Not only that, on September 25th, 2020, Governor Obaseki left Edo State with his deputy governor, Philip Shaibu, and visited President Muhammad Buhari in Aso Villa to appreciate him. Hardly has this happened in the history of Nigeria that a governor in the opposition party will visit the president of Nigeria, in which does not belong to the same party. Governor Godwin Obaseki also praised President Muhammad Buhari for fostering the correct atmosphere for a free and fair election in Edo State. More so, while replying, President Buhari said he ensured that the security agencies are available to avoid disruption of the election and the will of the people on a normal situation. The president should not be supporting a candidate of the opposition party. Even President Buhari said he is ready to develop Nigerian political culture on the basis of integrity and accountability, all because of Obaseki. This speaks volumes. From all indications, I cannot rule it out that Obaseki might have left the All Progressive Congress to the People Democratic Party, yet his relationship with the president remains intact and cordial. This is what Nigerians are yet to discover. Thank you for listening to this news. There is nothing between them. There is nothing between them. If you must know, my viewers, there is nothing. Alright? So Nigerians should just forget it. Nothing is existing between them. What you just saw on the day of the election was a normal thing it's a normal thing that just happened. You understand? It's a normal thing. The president have chosen to be neutral and straightforward. That was what just happened. He has chosen not to be biased. That was what just happened. See, let me tell you, the president of President Buhari, when it comes to election, when it comes to position of power, he is always straightforward. Maybe that is what you yourself doesn't know. This president you see, is someone that love to be straight when it comes to position of power. Maybe you don't know. So what he has just done in Edo State by congratulating Obaseki is his nature, his person. You understand what I'm saying? It's his person. And what you saw Obaseki doing after the election, and also after winning the election, by going to Aso Villa to appreciate the president, is also a natural attitude of Obaseki. Many of us has failed to know the person of Obaseki. I said it from the beginning that Obaseki is a very humble servant. Very, very humble. But we don't know. We don't know. We have failed to know that. Obaseki is so humble that he can give himself for the sake of others. Look at. Have you forgotten how he fought for Oshomole when Oshomole was contesting to become governor? Have you asked yourself the reason why Oshomole decided to pull Obaseki in as a governor after he left office? Oshomole was just too allegiant and submissive to Oshomole to the latter. And for you to know how humble Obaseki is, after the election, when he was declared winner of the Edo gubernatorial election, what did he do? Despite the fact that he is in the opposition party, PDP, he first of all appreciated all the APC candidates. Even his predecessor that was planning against him, even his predecessor that plotted his dismissal out of APC, he still appreciated him and told him that they don't have any misunderstanding anymore. That anything the president, Oshomole has done to him, that he has forgiven him. That they should not have any beef anymore. That is to let you know that this man has a peaceful mind. He has a peaceful mind. He doesn't have the mind of misunderstanding. He doesn't have the mind of quarrel. He doesn't have the mind of beef. That is what you should know. But Obaseki Oshomole has refused to know that. Oshomole has refused to know that. All Oshomole keep doing is keep agitating and saying, threatening fire and ice, that look, I will make sure you leave the office. I will make sure you don't complete your tenure. I will make sure that that qualification you use in coming into power is exposed. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? What do you call such a person? What do you call such a person? So, see, my viewers, Obaseki is just he's an humble person. He's an humble person. Maybe you've not given him a close look. You've not given him a close look. When you give him a close look, you understand the area I'm coming from. You understand the reason why I'm saying this. I am not in any way related to him. I am not in any way a member of APC, but I'm just speaking neutrally, doing the neutral broadcast for you to understand the politics of Nigeria. You understand, my viewers? So that is it for you. So I don't want us to start seeing it to be that the both of them have something in common or have one secret thing that they are both keeping in common, or start thinking that the president has actually plotted the winning of Obaseki indirectly, pretending he is in support of Izeyamo. No. We don't even know what is on board. My viewers, what is your take? Please do well to leave your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.